Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your leads and slimming them to essentials so Excel stays fast. Once done, convert the list to an Excel table, Ctrl+T, to lock formulas and enable filters. Next, add standardized stage names and a probability column. This will drive calculations later. Make sure to add a numeric value field and a next action date. Do this now, avoid extra columns, because a tidy table prevents errors and makes pivoting into a funnel predictable and repeatable. You now translate the table into numbers the funnel can use. Insert a pivot table to count leads and some deal value by stage, then add a calculated field for expected value as value times probability. Once that's generating figures, compute stage-to-stage conversion rates in adjacent cells so you can visualize drop-off. Use simple formulas and absolute references so you can copy across months. Make sure to refresh the pivot table after changes and lock the ranges to keep charts stable. You finish by turning numbers into an intuitive funnel. Sort stages top to bottom and create a funnel-style chart. Use a stacked bar with reversed order if needed, and add slicers for source and month to explore segments. Then, build a dashboard sheet with key metrics, total leads, conversion percent, and expected revenue. Finally, test filters and refresh. If numbers look wrong, check for blank stage entries, wrong probability formats, or an unrefreshed pivot table. Correct those and refresh to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.